I love working at Glenshaw Auto because of the people. I love the customers that come in, I love the people that I work with, I love the management. It's just very family oriented and I feel very comfortable and proud to say that I work here.
They'll kind of push you where you need to go. If you want to learn how to do something, they'll let you do it, like body work. And if you're a mechanic, you'll still be able to have like the opportunity to do what you want to do also.
It's different in most garages. Sam and Lori care about me as an employee, but also care about me as like an actual person. They treat me like a friend. So, even outside of work, they're there for me. So,
I think I enjoy working at Glenshaw Auto because not only are the bosses very kind and friendly, everybody here is very kind and friendly. They are really good at listening to what you want and what you need, and they're always there to help you out with whether it's personal, work-related, anything. If you don't have an answer for something, someone here has an answer for that question. And I think that's really good because if you don't know what you want to do, not only automotive-wise, but family-wise or personal or anything, there's always someone there to help you. And I think it makes it such a good fit for me.